Hi, it's Lorraine here at the Detox World Healing and Training Center, and I'm still talking about women's pelvic health. And today we're talking about the problem of having a dry vagina. So the medical system says it's hormonal factors, and of course, it can definitely be something like that. When your estrogen level starts to go down, that could be during menopause, that could be after giving childbirth, that could be while breastfeeding, that could be while you're going through cancer treatment, or due to anti-estrogen drugs that you might be taking. Some other non-hormonal factors that can cause a dry vagina are cold and allergy medications, and some antidepressants can do that also. When the estrogen level starts to plummet, the walls of the vagina start to get thin and dry and inflamed, and they call it vaginal atrophy. Quite often it also comes with a dry and irritated vulva. So there are creams and lubricants that they can prescribe, and obviously hormone treatments. With the moisturizers, the moisturizers are usually something that can be done internal and actually external also, and then the lubrication, that would be internal. And from the research that I did, the best moisturizers, lubricants, pardon me, are the water-based ones. You want to stay away from the oil-based ones because they can cause more infection, and if your partner is using a condom, it can make it less effective. Now, here at the Doc of Detox, we know what's going on. It is that pooping in your pelvis that is irritating all of the inner organs down in that pelvic bowl. So we have to start taking care of it better. So one of the things that we can be doing right away is the vaginal infusion. Now, if you wanted more information on the vaginal infusion, you can go to the Advanced Water Fast guide in the library, and in there is the entire how you do it, what you need, everything you need to know about the vaginal infusion. You can find it in the library under the Advanced Water Fast. Also, another thing you can be doing is, looking at attending one of our women's pelvic restoration and disease prevention masterclasses. I still am floored at the difference in myself after taking that first class. I had such a huge disconnect to that pelvic area, and the overwhelming joy and peace and love, and just it just brought everything together so nicely. And I thought I was happy and full of joy, and standing in my feminine power, but you add this onto it, and it really is the icing on the cake as far as women's health goes, as far as that feminine power that we have. And it's a beautiful thing when we can reconnect that and ignite that fire again. I just can't express the difference that I have felt in my life. So I encourage you all to check out, go to bhnuniversity.com, check out the classes that we have coming up. We're going to be in Australia really quick, the 4th, 5th, and 6th of September in Coffs Harbour. And then the next one is in Bonita Springs in Florida, and that's the 28th, 29th, and 30th of October. And then I believe the end of January, beginning of February, we're going to be in Puerto Rico. So I encourage you to look into these classes. If you have questions about these classes, put your questions down here. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And I am so looking forward to being in Australia in just a few more days. I love you guys. I hope you're having a beautiful day, a beautiful afternoon, a beautiful morning, a beautiful sleep, wherever you are in this world. I love you. See ya.